If you're looking for a smartphone that redefines innovation, the Vivo X200 Ultra might just be the perfect device. Packed with groundbreaking hardware, stunning design, and pro-grade cameras, this phone is built for those who demand performance, elegance, and next-level photography. Let's dive deep into everything this flagship has to offer. The Vivo X200 Ultra boasts a luxurious and modern design, featuring a quad-curved glass body that seamlessly blends into a premium metal frame. This not only enhances aesthetics, but also ensures a comfortable grip despite its large size. Available in stunning color options such as cosmic black, glacier blue, and a premium titanium silver, the X200 Ultra looks and feels truly flagship grade. Durability is a key aspect of this device. The phone comes with an IP68 rating, making it dust-proof and water-resistant, ensuring that accidental splashes or rainy weather won't be an issue. Additionally, the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on both the front and back enhances scratch and drop resistance, giving users peace of mind in everyday usage. The Vivo X200 Ultra features a 6.8-inch quad-curved AMOLED display with a stunning 2K resolution, 3200 by 1440 pixels, offering incredible sharpness, vibrant colors, and deep blacks. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and a more responsive touch experience, making it perfect for gaming and multimedia consumption. The display supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, delivering an unmatched cinematic viewing experience with enhanced brightness and contrast. Whether you're watching movies, playing high-end games, or simply scrolling through content, the X200 Ultra's display brings everything to life with breathtaking clarity. At the heart of the Vivo X200 Ultra is the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Qualcomm's latest and most efficient chipset. Built on advanced 3nm architecture, this chipset ensures ultra-fast performance, making multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven applications seamless. Paired with up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, the X200 Ultra guarantees lightning-fast app launches, effortless multitasking, and seamless data transfers. For gaming enthusiasts, the Adreno 750 GPU delivers console-level graphics, smooth frame rates, and enhanced AI-powered optimizations. The X200 Ultra also features an advanced cooling system, ensuring optimal temperature control during long gaming sessions. Vivo has always been a leader in smartphone photography, and the X200 Ultra continues this legacy with a triple-camera system designed for professionals. 200MP periscope telephoto lens capture ultra-detailed shots with 5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom, allowing you to get closer to distant subjects without losing clarity. 50MP main sensor featuring a large 1-inch sensor, this camera excels in low-light photography, producing images with incredible detail, dynamic range, and color accuracy. 50MP ultra-wide lens perfect for landscapes, architecture, and group shots. This lens expands your field of view while maintaining stunning detail. The X200 Ultra's camera is powered by Vivo's AI-driven V3 Plus imaging chip, enhancing HDR, night photography, and real-time video processing. With 8K video recording, Super Night Mode, and AI-enhanced portrait photography, this phone truly takes smartphone photography to a whole new level. A flagship phone needs flagship battery life, and the Vivo X200 Ultra delivers just that with its massive 6,000 mAh battery. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go, this device provides all-day endurance without compromise. And when it's time to recharge, The 100W wired fast charging ensures a full charge in just 30 minutes. Additionally, the 50W wireless charging provides a convenient and efficient way to charge without cables. The phone also supports reverse wireless charging, allowing you to power up other devices, such as earbuds or smartwatches. Running on Android 15 with Origin OS 5, the X200 Ultra offers a smooth, intuitive, and highly customizable software experience. The UI is designed with fluid animations, AI-driven optimizations, and intelligent multitasking features, making daily operations effortless. Security is also a priority, with advanced privacy controls, on-device AI processing, and regular software updates for up to 5 years. Users will enjoy seamless gestures, improved battery optimizations, and an overall refined experience that complements the powerful hardware. Beyond the core specifications, the Vivo X200 Ultra is packed with premium features that enhance its usability. Dual stereo speakers with high-res audio delivers immersive sound quality for a superior multimedia experience. Advanced AI features, AI-driven battery optimization, app management, and real-time voice enhancements for calls. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor ensures ultra-fast and secure unlocking. The Vivo X200 Ultra is an absolute powerhouse, combining breathtaking design, a top-tier display, cutting-edge performance, and an industry-leading camera system. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or someone who simply wants the best flagship experience, this phone delivers in every aspect. With a stunning 6.8-inch display, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, pro-level cameras, 6,000 mAh battery with 100W charging, and a refined software experience, the X200 Ultra stands as one of the most impressive flagship smartphones of the year. So, what are your thoughts on the Vivo X200 Ultra? Is this the ultimate flagship device you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more in-depth smartphone reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.